Subscribe my Techie Bro YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Welcome to my Techie Bro YouTube channel. In this video we are going to install XAMPP and WordPress. So let's get started. Double click on XAMPP. Click on OK. Click on Next. 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 Now XAMPP server is installing. It will take little bit time. So you have to wait until it get finished. Now XAMPP server installation has been finished. Click on Finish. Now select your language. So here I am going to leave as it is. And click on Save. Double click and start XAMPP server. Now you have to start two things. First is Apache and second is MySQL. After that let's extract WordPress file, which we have downloaded in previous video. So this is our WordPress file. We have successfully extracted our file. Now let's copy it to htdocs folder, which is situated in XAMPP file. Simply paste it here. Now let's rename it. After that open your browser and check localhost is working or not. If you are watching this page, it's mean it is working. After that type localhost/phpMyAdmin and hit enter. And here you have to create database for your WordPress. Click on database and type your name here. And then simply click on create. It will create database for you. Now let's install WordPress. Type localhost/ and the folder name which you given before. In my case it is my Techie Bro, so I am going to type simply my Techie Bro. Now click on WordPress. Now here select your language. So I am going to leave as it is. You can choose any one of them. After that, click on Let's Go button. Now here you have to enter your database name which you have created before. So in my case my database name is Learn WordPress. Now here type username root. And leave the password blank. And leave everything as it is. Then simply click on Submit. Now we are ready to install WordPress. WordPress checks the database setting and gives you the confirmation screen, and here simply click on Run Installation. Here enter administrative information. Site title. Enter the name of the site which you are going to create in WordPress. Username. Enter the username as per your choice while logging in the WordPress. Password twice. Enter password 2 times to protect your site. Your email. Enter your email address which helps to recover the password or any update. After that, scroll down and click on Install WordPress. Now WordPress has been installed successfully. Click on Login button. I have already saved my username and password. Enter your own username and password and simply click on Login. So this is our WordPress dashboard. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, please comment below, and I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.